In this video, we will see how to generate a square wave of frequency 2000 Hertz. Here capital T is the time period of the square wave, which is calculated as T is equal to 1 divided by the frequency, which is equal to 0.5 millisecond. This is the time period of the given square wave, where its maximum voltage is 5. Let us generate this square wave using LT Spice. Go to File, New Schematic, and click on the component. So take a voltage source here, click on OK. So this is the voltage source. Connect the ground here. Okay, connect the ground. This particular voltage source is named as V1, where V is the value of the voltage. Right click on this and click on the advanced. Here you take a pulse. Okay, so it will ask for the initial voltage. Initial voltage is nothing but here it is the 0 volt is the initial volt. So you just write down here 0 volt. And on voltage is nothing but it is the maximum voltage, that is 5 volt. So write here 5 volt. And delay is nothing but here delay is basically the time period of the signal is 0.5 millisecond. Half of this value is nothing but delay here, which is equivalent to 0.25 millisecond. This is the delay time. This is the delay time. So you just write here 0.25 millisecond. Rise time, as I told, the rise time is nothing but here when the voltage goes from the time taken for the voltage to go from lower value to higher value. This is the rise time, and this is the fall time. So rise time, it must be less than the time period. Time period here is nothing but 0.5 millisecond. So here what I will write is I will take it as a 1 nanosecond. Fall time also I will take it as 1 nanosecond. So on time is basically here, see the time period is 0.5 millisecond. 0.5 millisecond. Therefore, so half of that will be 0.25 millisecond. So I will write here 0.25 millisecond, and the time period is nothing but here time period is 1 by 2000 Hertz, which is equal to 0.5 millisecond. You can write the number of cycles, but if you keep it as a blank, it will take infinite number of the cycles. Okay, click on OK. Now here go to simulate, run this one, and you need to provide the stop time. It will define how many number of the where you want to stop this waveform. So let us take the time period as 0.8 millisecond. Instead of 0.8, if I take 2 millisecond as the stop time, it will generate 4 clock cycles. So let us change this value. Okay, so here right click and then click on change it as 2 millisecond. So because here 0.5 millisecond will give you 1 clock cycle. So 0.5 plus 0.5, 1 millisecond is another cycle. 1.5 is one more cycle, and 1.5 plus 0.5 is 2 milliseconds. So totally you will get 4 cycles. Okay, click on OK and then go to simulate and run. So here you want to generate a voltage waveform. You just click here. Okay, you can see a square wave of initial voltage 0 and highest voltage 5 volt is generated, and 0 to 0.0 to 0.5. So this is your off time period and this is the on time period. This is one cycle, this is the second cycle, and this is the third cycle, and this is the fourth cycle. So you have stopped your simulation at 2 milliseconds. So this is how you can generate a square wave using LT Spice. Thank you.